Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a look at two popular dash cams, the Chensive 3-channel 4K dash cam and the Prilette dash camera. Get ready for some serious road trip shenanigans. When it comes to video quality, both cameras pack quite a punch. But let's see which one takes the trophy. You want a dash cam that can keep an eye on your vehicle even when you're not around. We want a dash cam that's easy to set up and won't cause any headaches. Both cameras have their strengths and offer excellent features. It all comes down to personal preference and what suits your needs best. Remember to do your research, read customer reviews, and make an informed decision. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more smart buying tips and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and buy smart.